It's been a long journey, yes, and we also have we are a group of players who have been so determined, plus our technical bench who have never been tired of pushing us. Yeah, and I'd like to recommend our senior coach. Yes, he joined us in the second leg. Yeah, the stand of the second leg, and it's been so crucial. There are so many things that he has brought to the team that I think we were lacking. Okay, so vile umesema tumeitwa giant killers, okay, but these are different game. These are another different game. It's a final. We are going to face it. It's a different team also. So tunaenda kuiface, tunaenda kucheza finali. So tumejipanga vile tumejipanga, tufikiri hizo zingine zimepita. Hizo zimepita, hizo ni past. It's history. So presently we are going to face goal. So tunajisukuma pia. We know the prize. Kila mtu anataka, sisi pia tunataka kuwa hapo juu. Yeah, na it's a game like any other. So you can say, okay, siwezi sema tuko na pressure. Si tunaenda kupeana kitu tunafanya kwa mazoezi na kitu tumekuwa tukifanya. And I hope at the end of the day niko sure itatupatia result. Kitu inatupush tu ni tukianza season, it was one game at a time. Yeah, so the more you progress, the more you realize yourselves, the more you realize you have the more you realize your capabilities, and the more you realize you can compete with even those big boys. Hiyo pia inatusukuma, so tunataka tujue pia tukienda finali pia this is another opportunity. Tunataka kushowcase tena tuko na nini hapa. We are not any under pressure. Yeah, it's just it's a final, yes, it's a big game. We've never been onto this stage. That's true. It's the first time we are going to the Premier League as a team, and it's the first time we've played Mozart. Yeah, so like people expect us for now to tumeshtuka, but it's a game. Yeah, it's 90 minutes. Tuna to showcase your 90 minutes kitu tuko nayo. Yeah, so it's not a small feat. It's something so big. Yeah, it's a big stage. Na kurepresent Kenya pia si kitu kidogo. So okay, mali kitu naweza sema ni it's an achievement. It's an achievement. Mali tumefika, it's an achievement. Na pia the motivation tuko nao pia ni kuinua hiyo kikombe. Tunajua hiyo ni direct ticket. Yeah, so the feeling siwezi explain vile iko because it's an achievement being here. Yeah.
It's been a long journey, but I'm very happy. We have a group of players that are willing to work, and basically they're ready to fight for anything that is ahead of them. So I think it's been quite a long journey, but I'm happy so far we've achieved what we have. I think I can't say I'm not under pressure. I'm under pressure. Having reached this stage, I think it's taken a lot, and I'm happy we are prepared for it. Why? Because we've met 4 KPL teams, and I thank God we've managed to beat them. So I think the pressure here is that also we are facing a team that is known for Kenya, one of the best teams in Kenya, and we know their history. Although now the history won't play for them on this day. I think it's going to be 11 versus 11 out on the pitch, and everyone is going to give out their best. So like we've done before, we will give our best. I think the pressure will be, of course, there'll be pressure. Can't tell me go to a game, a football match without pressure. There has to be pressure. But most important is just to concentrate on what we plan to do on that day. I think basically we had a team that is ready to compete and go to the Premier League. But I think mentality-wise, I think I had to change something about it, because these players were just there, and they were just looking to play football. So we tried to instill in them the winning mentality, the fighting spirit in them, the confidence in them. There's a a lot of things that we changed that up to now, I think you can see the results. They can speak for themselves. I think as a team, the courage you can see in the players, the motivation, I mean, you can see a lot has changed, and I'm happy because that is a Premier League mentality. We are now ready to face the big boys. For me, it is motivation enough. One, because we are playing a team that has a lot of representation in the national team. I think you can see their quality of players. You can see the quality of coaches. Their coaches also, my instructor, and a player who has won the Continental, a player who has won a lot of cups. I think in itself, I think my players are really motivated. If we do well against such a team, I think for my players it's going to be, I mean, the best performance ever. Why? Because of who you're facing. I think it's motivation in itself, just to be there at the final. So I think I just need to manage the stage fright to make sure that they have the right mentality for this game. And yeah, I mean, for me, it's just motivation in itself to face Gor Mahia. I think first of all, like I've just told you, and the captain has said, this is the first time Nairobi United are participating in the Mozart Cup, and the first time they are into the final. I think it's a big motivation for us as a team. But as a coach, I think it's more even motivating. Just after winning the Premier League, I think now on to the Cup, I think I'm really motivated, I'm inspired, and I just hope that we are going to give it our best and win. Because one thing I know is that these boys, by just reaching the final of this cup, is a big statement to the big boys up there. So I think for me it will be very inspiring, and of course on my CV added something. Not really. I think at the moment we are really good. I think the injuries that I've had, most of them have recovered, and we have a full squad. Maybe apart from one or two players who've been announcing injury before that game, but the rest are very much okay and ready to play the final. I think it's a great feeling. It's a very good feeling, and I think he's one of those instructors that when you're in class, you really want to be there. And his classes are very interesting. And but now we are coming to another stage whereby it's not about class. It's now about competition. Who wants it more? I think whoever will want it more is gonna get it. First of all, I think for Gor Mahia, I think they are wounded. They really wanted to win the league. And I know how they are coming into this cup. They are coming with everything they can. I think we are ready for it, and we just hope it plays against them so that we can carry the day.